भाई कल ये वाला ये इसमें जो फाइल है ना, अभी जो बताए थे कि इसमें विल बिहेव लाइक अ फेल, वो वाला एक बार ऊपर जाइएगा, कुछ पूछना है इसमें।
ठीक है, चलो शुरू करते हैं। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम, इन्नल हम्दुलिल्लाह वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिल्लाह। क्या चाहिए इसमें, क्या है मतलब? सो इसमें क्या है, इसम फाइल। हाँ,
हम्म
इल एक्ट एज अ फिल मुजारी इफ इट हैज अ मफूल और इट हैज अ फाइल।
हम्म
करेक्ट।
बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है किधर से? हाँ,
इसमें क्या पूछना, क्या है आपको?
ओके। इसमें पूछना ये था कि एक्चुअली जो हम लोग देखते थे कि फेल में, अगर फेल है तो फेल के बाद जो इस हमारा अगर नसब स्टेटस है तो वो होता
करेक्ट।
था हमारा आपका मफूल बिही, है ना,
राइट।
जो भी
करेक्ट।
होता था, है ना। बट वही चीज यहाँ पर हम लोग अप्लाई कर रहे हैं कि जो अगर नेक्स्ट इसम आ रहा है और नसब स्टेटस है, तो जो फाइल होगा वो फेल की तरह ट्रीट होगा, राइट?
करेक्ट। या अगर फाइल मफूल है या फाइल भी है, अगर इसमें फाइल के केस में फाइल भी और मफूल भी, इससे मफूल के
हाँ,
केस में मफूल।
सो इसको जब हम लोग ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं, तो ट्रांसलेट जब कर रहे हैं तो यू विल किल, जैसे बाखिर नफ्स का।
परहैप्स इसका मतलब है, नहीं नहीं, लअल्ला का मीन्स परहैप्स यू।
हाँ, वो ठीक है, परहैप्स
फर्स्ट यू
यू।
आप करते हो, फिर किलिंग। किलिंग मतलब मीन्स यू आर किलिंग
अच्छा अच्छा
योरसेल्फ।
अच्छा अच्छा, सॉरी सॉरी, मैं का को मिस कर दिया था। अच्छा, सॉरी
लअल्ला
सॉरी।
का है ना।
मैं समझ समझ गया, लाला का था ना, मैं यू को इसमें ले रहा था। सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, इट्स माय बैड। ओके, ठीक है, मेरे को समझ में आ गया मैं क्या गलती किया।
ठीक है।
इसमें मफूल, देन इसमें मफूल में भी आई थिंक वही है, राइट, कि नाइब
ज़ालिका
फाइला में
यौमुन
दे।
मजमूअ लहुन्ना। सो यहाँ पे देखो, आप यहाँ देखो, इसम मफूल है। आप देखो इसका फाइल है यहाँ पे, है ना। नाइबुल फाइल,
हम्म
नाइबुल फाइल है ना।
रफा है, करेक्ट,
ज़ालिका
नाइबुल फाइल।
यौमुन, दैट इज अ डे
हम्म
मैनकाइंड विल बी गैदर्ड टू हिम। सो यहाँ
हम्म
स्टार्ट आप करोगे नास से, बिकॉज नास का
या
फाइल
बिल्कुल,
है नाइबुल
नाइब
फाइल।
फाइल है, करेक्ट करेक्ट।
आज हम मजदर पढ़ेंगे।
ठीक, श्योर।
सो मजदर के केस में क्या है कि इन मेनी केस मजदर एंड इट इज मफूल बिही ट्रांसलेटेड मोस्टली मोस्ट नेचुरली एज एन इजाफा। सो बेसिकली मजदर और इसका मफूल बिही क्या बोलता है कि अगर मजदर है एंड इसका मफूल मफूल है, जनरली दे आर ट्रांसलेटेड एज इदाफा। इदाफा मींस मुदाफ मुदाफ इलैह काइंड ऑफ थिंग।
मुदाफिल है,
So
या।
for example, وأخذهم الربا. أخذ is a مصدر. أخذون. أخذ, right?
अखज़
أخذ
है,
أخذون is مصدر. You see أخذهم, it is a مضاف إليه here. أخذهم,
हम्म
right? But यहाँ पे रिबा है. Riba is again one more ism here. It is, what is the status of this riba? It is nasab. You got a point. So akza here is masdar and riba
हम्म
followed by riba which is also nasab. That means this masdar has a maf'ul bihi. That will, so when you will translate both of these, you will translate both of these as mudaf ilayh. Akza means taking. Akza
हम्म
means taking. So akzahu means, are you able to hear me?
या, यस भाई।
So akzahu means what? Okay. Akza means taking.
टेकिंग, सो
Akzahu
या,
means,
सो दियर टेक।
वेरी गुड। नाउ फिर यहाँ पे रिबा है। रिबा मीन्स यूजरी, इंटरेस्ट। तो ये आप जब ट्रांसलेट आप पूरा करोगे, सो यहाँ मजदर हो गया, यहाँ इसका मफूल बिही हो गया। तो जब व्हेन यू ट्रांसलेट, यू विल ट्रांसलेट लाइक दिस। ही सेज व्हेन यू ट्रांसलेट, यू विल
1 मिनट
ट्रांसलेट
भाई,
इदाफा मींस मुदाफ मुदाफ इलैह। सो यू विल से दे आर टेकिंग ऑफ रिबा।
बट दिस
करेक्ट।
रिबा, रिबा वर्ड इज भाई, अलिफ mad is there, this
रिबा,
alif
या
sukun,
इट्स या
alif
इट्स
sukun is there. This is look like
नो, अलिफ लाम है ना, इट्स लुकिंग लाइक सिंपली इसम।
हाँ, yeah, simple ism है, but this construction wow and this alif sukun is
रिब्बा,
there.
रिब्बा एक्चुअली इसका अलिफ क्या बोलते हैं, ममदूदा से एंड हो रहा है। ठीक है।
और ये word में ही included alif mamduda, right?
हाँ, यस। So you see, you are translating this أجزاهم ربا as مضاف مضاف إليه because the أجزاء is masdar and riba is nasab, so it becomes maf'ul. So when you translate, you say they are taking off interest. Correct?
Correct.
You are translating it as mudaf mudaf ilay. Though it's not mudaf mudaf ilay, right?
Correct.
So whenever you have masdar and followed by ism, which is nasab, that means it is their construction. Masdar and maf'ul bihi, so you will translate it as mudaf mudaf ilay. And then wakad nahu anhu. Nahu wakad nuhu anhu. Nuhu is what?
Nahu means
No, that's okay. What is nahu? What's the construction here? Is it fail?
is fail.
Fail. Which version?
Is hum version.
Home version. Is it normal? Is fail or majhul?
It's normal.
Sure.
Yes, bhai. Nasaru, nasara, nasara, nasaru.
Nahi, yanha. So nahe, naha, nahu.
Naha, naha, nahu. Oh. Yeah, it's
It is
it
basically
will
majhul.
become majhul. Yeah, sound is
Okay.
there.
Nahu, it's majhul. So
Yeah.
nahu means they are profiting. Nahu means that they are profiting. What is nuhu?
What is nahu means?
Nahu means they prohibited, right?
They prohibited. Yeah.
Naha means no. Amar bil ma'ruf wa nahy anil munkar, right? Naha means prohibition. So if it is naha means he prohibited. Nahu, they prohibited. Nuhu means
They all prohibited.
they were prohibited. It's majhul, right?
Yeah.
So they are taking off riba and already they were prohibited from it. Now यहाँ पे और एक ये aklihim, see akli is masdar here. Aklihim is there. Akl means eating. So it's again
Eating,
masdar
yeah.
akli. So they are eating off. You see now amwala nasi.
Mala
Amwala is
na.
nasab. Amwala is nasab. So it is why it is nasab because of the masdar. So it's maf'ul bihi or masdar. So when you translate whole of thing, what you will translate? How will you translate? And they are eating off wealth of people. Mal
Wealth of
means
people.
amwal means wealth. Bil batili with falsehood. It's like, are you able to get it? What I am telling you? Ishaq bhai is there. Or Soge.
Yes, Sam.
Are you
No,
able to
I'm here,
comprehend what I am saying, or I'll just repeat?
Not fully.
So what I am telling you, masdar, if it is followed by ism which is nasab, that means that ism is maf'ul bihi of masdar. Correct? Number one. And when you translate the masdar and that maf'ul bihi, you will translate it as mudaf ilay. So for example,
that is clear.
Now here akzihim, akzi is masdar. Akhaza, if root word is akhaza.
To take.
So akhaza, yu'khizu, okay? It's basically, family 4. Akhaza, yu'khizu, akhzan. Not, sorry, family 1. Akhaza, yakhizu, akhzan, akhza. You see akzihim. So here akhza is masdar. And then it is followed by ar-riba, which is having nasab status. This riba has nasab status, that means it's a maf'ul bihi of this masdar. Now you got this case, so that means you will translate it as a mudaf. So you will translate akzihum means they are taking, and riba means interest. So when you translate whole thing, you will say they are taking off interest.
Off interest. Yeah.
Correct?
That I follow. This one I follow.
Says wakadnahu anhu, and they were prohibited from it. And again here said akli. Akli again is a akala, yakilu, aklan. Akla is again masdar. And then you have followed by amwala nasi. Amwala is nasab. Okay? And amwala nasi is mudaf. Amwala is nasab. That means amwala nasi is maf'ul bihi of akli. That means you will translate whole thing what? How? Mudaf. So you will say they are eating off wealth of the people. So you'll put off in between here. You'll put off. Though it's not mudaf, but you'll put it becomes mudaf because of this masdar and maf'ul bihi. Correct?
It's behaving like mudaf.
Yes, exactly. So one translation. Got it?
Ji. Yes.
Again, here you see Fazkurullah. What is Fazkurullah? What is the construction here? Isaac by Fazkuru. Fa is okay, leave it fa. Fa is and then. Azkuru. What is Azkuru?
Zikr, Allah ka zikr.
No. I'm not asking you what meaning by. What is the construction? Azkuru.
So, which ayat you are looking at?
This.
Because I think
You're not
out
able to
of
get
my
this
screen here.
You're getting now?
No.
I wanted to hide this translation.
First,
Azkuru. So Azkuru.
Zikriku.
So Azkuru, what do you feel? Azkuru, what is it? Fail, Islam, what it is? Leave fa aside. Fa means fa is a character. Azkuru.
It is fail.
So what kind of fail it is?
Aslam, family 4.
Family. It is family 4, but is it fail mazi, muzari, nahi, amr?
So it is fail mazi.
Okay.
Hello.
So how will fail mazi look like? So azkara.
No, first. Yeah, askara, correct.
This is a plural. This is a plural what?
So it is
plural, right?
Yeah.
Can you make
it is plural, correct.
Azkara? Can you make the Sir Kabir for that? Azkara.
Sir Kabir. I don't have the notes here. Like power is not there, so not able to.
It's not actually family 4, Ishaq bhai.
It is family 1.
It is family 1, and it's not fail mazi. It is fail amr.
Oh, okay.
It is like tazkuruna. When you make it amr, you leave ta, and and you remove noon. You say izkuru. Now fa is there, fazkuru, so that's why fazkuru. Actually, it is izkuru. If there's no fa, then izkuru. Otherwise, fa is there, fazkuru. It's amr plural version, right? Tazkuruna se bana hua hai. Okay, you should understand. If you don't distinguish between fail mazi and amr, then you will not be able to translate properly. Because amr is command. If you say it is fail mazi plural, then they will say they remembered Allah. But it is command. Command means fazkurullah, means remember Allah. It's a command. Okay. So are you able to understand? I'll write again.
Yeah, no.
Any confusion here?
I got it. No.
So you should look here whether it is command, nahi, fail mazi, muzari. Okay. So as it is verb alif at the end, that means a plural version, right? So it is fail and it is plural version. Now in plural version, what kind of fail is this? Is it mazi, muzari, nahi? Correct? That you should understand.
Okay.
So fazkurullah and remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Here again you see ka means like. Zikrikum. You see, zikri is masdar here. Zikrikum aba'akum, and aba is having nasab status. So that means aba is this one maf'ul bihi of this zikri. Okay. So ka means like. Zikrikum means your remembrance. So how will you say ka zikrikum aba'akum, Ishaq bhai?
Your remembrance.
Like your remembrance, like your remembrance of your
added in between.
Of your forefathers.
Your
forefathers. Aba akum means forefathers. So you translate it as a mudafila because zikr here is masdar and it has a
of will be added. Yeah.
Aw ashadda zikran, or more in remembrance, more intensely. Okay. Was when masdar was there and maf'ul bihi. Now there, let's see what masdar has usage. So there are different types of use of masdar. Okay. So generally, you know, masdar is used as maf'ul lahu. Masdar itself, I'm saying that this was okay when masdar followed by ism. Here the question, the topic is how masdar is used generally. The masdar is generally used as maf'ul lahu and maf'ul matlaq. We'll go one by one. Maf'ul lahu. You know, there were many maf'ils you studied, right? Maf'ul bihi, maf'ul fihi, maf'ul hal, right?
Yes.
Maf'ul lahu. What is maf'ul lahu? Maf'ul lahu is basically, it's also known as maf'ul li ajlihi. Maf'ul lahu means it answers the question like why. Why did something happen? So when you have sentence and you make the question like why, the answer is maf'ul lahu. Correct. For example, so maf'ul means something object of action, right? So if somebody did something and I ask question why he did that thing, you will answer he did because of that. That because of that, you know, that thing answer will be maf'ul lahu. Got my point? So maf'ul lahu answers the question why. Maf'ul bihi answers the questions what and how, right? Maf'ul fihi answers the questions where and when. Maf'ul hal also answers the questions, you know, kind of conditions, right? Maf'ul lahu answers the questions why. Why did something happen? So, for example, so here what it says is masdar is generally used as maf'ul lahu. So you have, so answer, when you ask the question why did something happen, the answer, your answer, when you answer it with some word with ism, that ism will have status what? That will be masdar. Okay, let's take the example. For example, you write, you say ma zarabuhu laka illa jadalan. Zaraba means to set forth, example also it means to hit also. Okay, so here the context is drawing a comparison. So it means ma zarabuhu. Zarabu here is what is this kind of construction here? Zarabuhu. Ishaq bhai, zarabu. Ishaq bhai is there?
Yeah.
Zarabu. What is the construction?
Zarabu is this Nasaru family one.
Very good.
And,
it's a fail mazi, plural version, right?
Fail mazi.
Plural version,
correct.
So zarabu, who is, that is pronoun. Okay.
Yeah.
That attached pronoun like maf'ul.
Right.
So, for example, zarabuhu, they hit him or they set forth example.
They hit him.
Or it has a different context meanings. So ma zarabuhu laka. Here it means they did not draw any comparison except illa jadalan. Illa except for an argumentation. Jadalan means argumentation. Jadalan here it is ism and it is masdar. It is masdar. So when you translate, if you make question out of this, why they draw the comparison, your answer will be because for argumentation, right? So if I say why did they draw comparison, you will say because for argumentation. So the jadalan masdar, you will translate, this is a maf'ul lahu here because it answers the question why.
So so there is no for that we are adding here.
No, yeah, that's what. So maf'ul lahu is, so maf'ul lahu is always translated as because of, out of, for. Okay, because there's no Arabic word for because of, out of, for. Okay, so you have to see if it is a maf'ul lahu, then you will translate it as because of this, out of this. Now let's say, let's do this. Wala taqtulu awladakum khashyata imlakin. Wala taqtalu. What is this construction? Taqtulu. Ishaq bhai.
This is fail muzare.
Very good. Which version?
Okay, again it is the what do you call plural version.
Plural version, good.
Okay.
Anta, antuma, Which version? It's a fail muzari. It's a fail muzari. La taqtulu.
Yeah.
La taqtulu.
So it is nahi.
It's a nahi. It is nahi. So actually it was
Yeah.
taqtuluna,
Correct.
but la
Correct.
la taqtulu, that means, is a nahi. La taqtulu, plural version, right? It's addressing to everybody. La taqtulu. So noon has gone. La taqtuluna, noon has gone because it has become nahi. So la taqtuluna,
Correct.
do not kill. Awladakum, your awlad, your children. Khashyata
Correct.
imlaqin. You see khashyata, it is a maful, right? It's a nasab. Khashyata imlaqin, mudaf mudaf ilayh, but khashyata is mudaf. Now, masla hai, this khashyata imlaqin, what kind of maful is? Is this maful bihi? Is this maful lahu? Is this maful hal? What it is? Now, if you read this question, if you read this verse, it says, do not kill your children.
Because of.
Wait. Khashyata imlaqin, fear of fear of poverty. Khashyata means fear, imlaqin means poverty. Fear of poverty. Now, question is, what will I write here? Out of, because of, should I translate it as a maful lahu? Masla ye hai, if you just focus on this portion, wala taqtulu awladakum. If you make a question out of this, do not kill your children. If you want to make a question, why don't you want to make children? Why don't you want to kill children? Right? Why question? Right? So why question arises? So that means this khashyata imlaq answer is here as a maful lahu. Right? So you will translate it as, do not kill your children out of the poverty of your, out of the fear of your poverty. Out of the fear of poverty. Or because of fear of poverty.
Or due to.
Out of, or because, or due, whatever. So you will translate as maf'ul. So this khashyata imlaq is maf'ul lahu. So and khashyata is here masdar. So this masdar became maf'ul lahu. So this is the usage of masdar as a maf'ul lahu.
Yes, sir. So by this part, this type we will identify once we will know the meaning, right? Like we understand that the question is answered, question is there, why you have killed, right?
Of course. Meaning has to be there. Yes.
Meaning has to be there. Then only we will identify.
Grammatically, you understood this is fail muzari. This is
Correct.
nahi, right? And
Correct.
this awlada is nasab because of the maful of this, right? And awlada kum mudaf ilayh, right?
Yeah.
But then
So
khashyata, you will understand khashyata imlaqin. Khashyata is
masdar. Yeah.
nasab,
Correct.
and it is a masdar. And
Masdar.
khashyata imlaqin mudaf ilayh. So you know what's khashyata? It is fear. And imlaqin means poverty, so fear of poverty. Now, how will you translate? You'll get it. You'll get it. Whether I translate, like Ishaq by automatically translated as out of fear of, due to, right? So whenever you have this kind of out of fear or due to, because of that, that means the word becomes maf'ul lahu. Because maf'ul lahu answers the question like why. Okay, you translate that as
I think I got what
because of.
Tanveer is saying. So some contextualization of the, what do you call, meaning also is required here to get there, right?
Obviously, meaning is required here. Meaning is required here. Yes. Meaning is required here. Yes.
Correct.
Correct.
Completely on the basis of construct.
Masla ye hai ki, see, this is a what's called maf'ul, right? Now, whether it is maf'ul bihi or maf'ul fihi, maf'ul lahu, that you will understand because of the meaning, right?
Correct.
Yes,
meaning of the whole verse.
Yeah.
So here again on more usage of the maf'ul lahu as a masdar, you can see وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَشْرِي نَفْسَهُ. So وَمِنَ النَّاسِ, from the mankind, man yashri, man is who, man means who. What is yashri? What kind of construction is this yashri? Tanir bhai?
Yes, bhai.
Yashri.
Yeah, it's a fail.
Which one? फेल माजी, फेल मुजारे, अम्र नहीं.
It's look like fail mudari only.
Very good. Which version?
Yashri.
Is it huwa version, huma version, home version, anta version, antuma version? You know that.
Yeah. It's obviously either in third person
Yes, huwa version or hiya version or huma
or
version.
Yashri, Yashra, Yashru. It look like Hua, right?
It's a huwa version simply.
Hua
Shara
version,
yashri
but
you.
it's
Shara
not.
yashri you. It's a naqis fail. Naqis fail. Do you remember the naqis?
Ha, Nakis. Okay.
It is a naqis fail. Yashri. So you will not say yashri you, yashri, because ya will, the alif maksura will not.
Correct. Yashri.
It's a huwa version.
Okay.
Shara, shara, ya is the root word, or shara, wa is the root word. Shara means, shara means selling. Bai'a means buying. Shara means selling. Man means who? Nafsahu. So how will you translate وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَشْرِي نَفْسَهُ? Man means who? So basically, man yashri.
And from the people who sell.
Yashri means he. Yashri means he sell. When it is man yashri, you will not say who he sell, but who will override on he. So you will say man yashri, who sells. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَشْرِي.
Their nafs, themselves.
Again, not trust again. From the mankind.
From the mankind who sell their self.
Their self.
Sell themselves. Who sell
themselves कहाँ पे आ गया? Them कहाँ है?
Nafs.
Nafsahu.
So
nafsahu?
Nafsahu means who sell him, their self. Himself, yeah.
So from the mankind is, यहाँ पे is put करोगे आप. You will put is here. Break. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ, and from the mankind
is.
From the people is the one who sells himself.
Sell himself.
Ibtiga is basically. Can you find ibtiga? What is the construction here? Ibtiga. Ism, fail, what?
It look like amr.
Oh भाई. Ibtiga. कहाँ से कौन सा अमर आया है यहाँ से? See bhai, ibtiga marzati. You see, marzati is having kasra. Anything followed by ism which is having kasra, that means it's a mudaf
ilayhi. Yeah.
So it's ism. Ibtiga.
Now, yeah.
Tell me what kind of ibtiga. Agar family.
Ibtiga family. Okay.
Oh, family बताना मुझे. Which family? It's a masdar, right? It is masdar.
It's a masdar, yeah.
Masdar. Tell me which masdar. Which family?
Aslama Islaman.
Family 2 का है क्या?
Jahada yujahidu.
Jihadan. It's not.
No, right?
Then family 4, Islaman. Is it like Islaman?
No.
Family 5,
Ittikhazan.
Iqtaraban. Correct. Iqtiraban. Correct.
Very
Got
good.
it.
So how will it? What is the root word now?
Iqtaraba, right? So here, Bataghan.
नहीं इक्तिराबन में रूट वर्ड क्या है?
इक्तराबन में इक्तराबा, राइट? काफ राबा सो ब गैन अलिफ.
बा गैन हमजा और वाव और या बा गा या और बा गा हमजा बा गा वा. हमजा तो नहीं होता है रूट वर्ड. बा गा वा और बा गा या,
राइट.
अगर आप if you remember, it's an फेल नाकिस higher families में, bigger families like family 8, family this one, the masdar ends with this one Hamza, right? Alif and Hamza. Do you remember that? Fi'l naqis mein, bigger families mein masdar ends with Alif Hamza. So basically it is baga wa or baga ya. Fi'l naqis y or ya'i, right?
Right.
And in fi'l naqis y and ya'i, higher families, family 8 or family 4, they end with alif and ya masdar. Masdar end with alif and ya. Do you remember? Alif and Hamza, right?
Yes.
Yes. So ibtigha bagaya, just see what is bagaya. You will get the meaning. Family 8, what does it mean?
1 minute, bhai.
Bagaya or bagawa? You can say both.
Bagawa.
Isak bhai, you're able to understand bagaya or bagawa?
Yeah,
See family
yeah.
8.
Family 8 by to seek, desire, aspire.
Family 8 to seek desire. So ibtigha, how will you translate ibtigha? So it's a masdar. So ibtigha
Masdar,
means
yeah.
seeking, right?
Seeking.
Then
Yeah.
Marzatillahi. Marzat, what is marzat? Marzat is actually pleasure. Marza, marzi, na bolte na. So marzatillahi, marzat basically is pleasure. Allahi. So here if you see ibtiga marzatillahi is whole mudaf ilayh construction here, right? And ibtiga is masdar, it is having nasab status, it is a maf'ul. So question is whether it is maf'ul lahu, maf'ul hal, maf'ul what. So you will translate from this, you will translate it. You will come to know. From the mankind is the one who sells himself. Why he sells himself?
What? The question is what?
No. It does not. It does not say what. See, from the mankind is the one who sells himself. It is not about what he sells. It's already what he sells is nafs, right? That nafsa is maful bihi.
Yeah.
Nafsa is maful bihi. If you
Okay.
say from the mankind is
So
the one
again, it
who
is
sells
why.
himself. From here, if I want to
Why?
ask a question, what he sells, he will say nafsa. But then ibtigar is one more
Why?
maful. There is one more maful. Ibtiga marzatillah is one more maful, right?
Okay.
The question is, this nafsa is
To
a maful
answer
bihi.
that,
Nafsa is a maful bihi. Listen, nafsa is a maful bihi. What about ibtiga marzatillahi? What kind of maful is this? It answers the question why. Why he sells himself? Because
of the pleasure
to
of Allah.
seek the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So how will you translate the whole thing there?
By one question I have before to that. Iftiga maradati, right? This also is becoming mudaf ilayhi, right?
Everything is mudaf. Ibtiga marzat is mudaf ilayhi and marzatillahi.
Maradatillahi, correct?
So seeking
But
of pleasure of
seeking
Allah.
of the pleasure of Allah.
Allah.
Seeking
Right?
of the pleasure of Allah.
Correct.
And from the people
Hmm?
and from the people who
Is
sell
the one.
himself is the one who sell himself.
Now how will you say for seeking pleasure of Allah? So you will say for, you will put for in between.
For seeking.
Or you will put out of. Because
Because
ibtiga marzatillahi maf'ul is maf'ul lahu. So for maf'ul lahu, you will always put for, out of, because. Correct?
right.
Is that why correct?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Nafsa is maf'ul bihi and ibtiga marzatillahi is maf'ul lahu. And ibtiga here is what? It's a masdar. No, he says sometimes, when the maf'ul lahu appears as something other than masdar. Sometimes, we have maf'ul lahu. It appears like a masdar, but it's not actually a masdar. Okay? So it is possible for maf'ul lahu to appear as something other than masdar. So maf'ul lahu, generally we say maf'ul lahu is always masdar, right? But sometimes maf'ul lahu is not sometimes masdar. It's like it's a other kind of word, but it appears like a masdar. Okay, it is something other than a masdar. So, for example, he says if we remember that the harf nasab for fi'l muzari, right? That harf nasab for muzari, right? Lam, kai, likai, lam, right? Those, if you remember that, likai, right?
Yes.
Kai and all of those harfs of the fi'l muzari. For example, here let's take the example, then you'll understand. وكذلك أوحينا إليك قرآنا عربيا لتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها. So وكذلك means thus, and thus. What means and? كذلك means thus. أوحينا. What is أوحينا, Ishaq bhai?
أوحينا. So it is a fail mazi.
Very good, very good.
Okay, أوحينا. Na is nano version.
Very nice. Family.
And أوحينا. This is tough. Family is not clear.
So you just see. No, see. You said it's a Nahnu version, right? So is it like Nasarna? Very nice. Is it like Jahadna? Is it like Jahadna?
No.
Is it like Aslamna?
Aslamna looks.
Yes,
like
it's like
Aslamna.
Aslamna. It's like family 4. Aslamna.
Yeah.
Aslamna. Awhayna. So it's a family 4. So can you find the root word here now?
Yeah. Wahan.
Waha.
ना
ना कैसे, ना तो प्रोनाउन हो गया ना, ना तो प्रोनाउन के साथ है.
वहाया.
वाहाया. वेरी नाइस. वाहाया. लाइक असलमना के केस में सलामा, यहाँ वाहाया, राइट. ना तो उसका वो हो गया, वो तो अटैच प्रोनाउन है नहनु वर्जन का, है ना. वहिया मीन्स यू नो वही बोलते हैं ना, वही. रेवलेशन.
Revelation.
इलाइका. व्हाट इज इलाइका मीन?
Towards them.
इलाइका मीन्स टू यू. टू यू.
To
So
you.
how will you translate وَكَذَلِكَ أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ قُرْآنًا Arabian? And Quran and Arabian is what? Quran and Arabian is what kind of construction?
Sifa
No,
Mawsuf.
that is
Sifa Mawsuf, right?
your Sifa Mawsuf.
Quran and Arabian, how will you translate Ishaq by Quran and Arabian?
Sifa Mawsuf.
That's what, how will you translate it? Quran means Quran, Arabian means Arabic.
Yeah.
So Quran and Arabian means?
Quran of the Arabic. Yeah.
Bhai.
Arabic
Quran. सिफा मौसूफ कैसे आप ट्रांसलेट करते हैं?
Arabic
आप
Quran.
सिफा लेते हैं देन मौसूफ, राइट? नॉट
Correct.
अरेबिक ऑफ कुरान. सिफा मौसूफ आप कैसे कर रहे हैं ट्रांसलेट? मुदाफ इलैह की तरह नहीं करना होता है वो. Okay. For example, beautiful
Arabic.
Quran. So Quran and Arabian, Arabic Quran, right?
Yeah.
So how will you translate وَكَذَلِكَ? So wahiya means revealing, to reveal. So what does awhayna mean? And it's a fail mazi. Now translate وَكَذَلِكَ. And thus.
And thus we revealed.
Very good.
Okay, Ilaika towards you.
To you.
Quran and Arabian, Arabic Quran.
And Arabic Quran, right?
And Arabic Quran. Yeah.
Litunzira. What is litunzira?
For.
No. Wait. I'm not asking a meaning here. So litunzira, what kind of word is this?
So Li is this thing. What is this? Jar. So jar majrur.
No, but tunzira is a jar which is jar. Agar le harf jar hai, then tunzira should be tunziri, but it's tunzira.
Yeah, correct.
So what is Islam here?
It is not.
Why this tunzira? What is Islam then?
So this is Amr.
No, bhai.
No, it is not It's not
Why tunzira is
So it
tunzira?
is
Why tunzira?
nasab. It is nasab.
What is tunzira? No,
Yeah.
tunzira is nasab. What is tunzira? What is tunzira? What is this tunzira? Is it ism, fail, what?
Tunzira, it is fail.
It's a fail. Now, why is tunzira? So is it fail mazi or muzari?
Fail muzari.
It's muzari. Which version?
Tunzira is the Hua version.
Hua version starts with what?
Who? Okay, no, it is not.
Hua version always starts with ya.
Correct.
So it is starting with
so
what?
it is. Yeah, it is. It is. So which is to you. Yeah.
So Hua version starts with ya, but this is starting with ta. Any fail at starting with ta? What
That
kind
is-
of?
That is second person. Yeah.
Anta version, right? Anta version or here, but it's anta here.
Anta.
Okay.
That's what I
The
meant.
question is,
Second
Isaac bhai,
person.
it should be tunziru. Why it is tunzira? What happened to it? See,
Yeah,
always fail muzari ends with dhamma sound, right?
Correct.
All
Right.
the fail muzari ends with by default dhamma. It should be tunziru. Why tunzira? What happened to it? Why it became tunzira?
Because it is masdar.
No, it's not. Bhai, it's fail. Mazhar kahan se aa gaya?
No,
Now,
I'm not getting that.
when fail becomes nasab.
When it is maful.
नहीं भाई फेल मफूल कैसे हो सकता है मैं फेल की बात कर रहा हूँ फेल है ना फेल बाय डिफॉल्ट फेल एंड्स विद फेल मुजारी एंड्स विद दम्मा राइट then there are two things which we can make with fail muzari. One is we can make it nasab light or we can make it lightest. Is this light or lightest?
It is light.
It is light. Lightest. What does lightest mean? It will be jazm, having and jazm at the end, right?
Yeah.
No, it is light. So why it became light? Tell me. Because of what?
Not
Okay.
sure
I think you have forgotten. So if you remember those harfs, in lam lakai, in lam, in lan lakai, hatta izan, in lan lakai. Those harfs which make when we put before fail muzari, the fail muzari becomes light. And in lam likai, in lam, what's that? In lam
likai hatta ila.
In lam limma falwali. Those are lightest harfs which make the verb lightest. In lan likai. Those in lan likai hatta izan they make fail muzari light. Okay. Unlan likai.
Yes.
So this lam here is from likai. So this likai and I taught you likai either you can come likai full likai और कभी-कभी उसका काफ यूज कर सकते हैं कभी-कभी लाम यूज कर सकते हैं. So लिकाई का लाम भी यूज कर सकते हैं तो it makes it nasab light और का या भी कर सकते हैं तो का भी यूज कर सकते हैं तो या it becomes nasab or light. Okay, so here the lam is from likai, so that's why it became light.
So it is not la. Okay.
So it is lam of that likai.
The font
and likai is what? It is a harf for fail muzari which makes it light. Correct, Ishaq bhai? Do you remember now that story? And then likai is translated as so that.
Correct.
This likai is translated as so that. So lam will translate it as so that. Okay.
But it is. But
yeah, Ishaq bhai, tell me.
And if you want to listen, I'll tell. So this li looks very similar to the harf jar, right? So how do we differentiate between
what will harf jar do? What will harf jar do to the word?
Yeah. So on that basis, we will differentiate is what, like if it is not there here, okay, then
Yes.
we will say
If
that
it
it is
is
not
zir,
harf jar.
tun ziri, then that means harf jar majroor, but it's not that, right? It is, see, it is tun
Fine.
zira. La is putting, la is not, is changing, it is making it, is sorry, nasab,
Yeah.
right? So lam here makes this word nasab, and lam only makes some word nasab when it is a fail muzari. And that lam is from likai family, likai harf, right? An, lan, lakai, izzan, hatta, izan. Those harfs, whenever they come before fail muzari becomes light. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
And lam is from likai. लिकाई को हम और डिफरेंट वो कर सकते हैं, डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, उसका लाम भी यूज कर सकते हैं, काफ यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, अलग अलग. एंड इट मीन्स, बोथ मीन्स सो दैट. ओके भाई. So tunzira, it was tunziru, it became tunzira because of lam, correct?
Yeah.
Now tunzira, tell me the family. It's a fail muzari. What is family?
This is family 1.
Family 1. Sure.
Nazara, Nasara. Yeah.
Huh?
Nazara, Nasara, right?
Nasara is fail mazi. Just make a fail mazi का ये बनाओ. सब सही ना. इसका नसरा, हाँ, नसरा. Shabash. It's a fail muzari, right? You said it is a fail muzari anta version, right?
Correct.
तो कौन सा फैमिली है? See, Sagbhai, when you say something, always say, कहते हैं ना कि think before you speak. It's very important. Please don't take it otherwise. Take it in a positive manner, because आप जल्दी hurt हो जाते हो. So always, whenever you say something, think first of all. Okay. You said it is from Nasara family, right?
It's not about thinking. You see, I'm not able to revise and all that. That's why.
No, it's not about revising. See, it's not about revising.
Yeah. So
No, it's not about revising.
I think
See,
we're getting to a very advanced concept without revision.
No.
That's my
So what I'm
problem.
telling you, no. See what I'm telling you. See, you figured out it's an anta version, right? And you also figured out that it's a fail muzari, correct? So it's an anta version fail muzari, right? So anta version fail muzari always and starts with ta, right? If it is Nasara family, if it is from Nasara family, which you are saying, so Nasara family का anta version क्या रहेगा fail muzari? Can you tell me?
Nasara family का
anta version fail muzari. तो आप वो कैसे करोगे? आप क्या करोगे? आप जस्ट मेक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर्फ सगीर फॉर नसरा फैमिली.
That will be Nasarta.
No, that is fail muzari, I'm telling, not fail mazi. Let me again repeat what I'm telling you. See, this is a fail muzari, right? Correct. And it is anta version. Correct. अब प्रॉपरली समझना ये एल्गोरिथम, बिकॉज आप यहाँ पे बार बार मिस्टेक करते हो. ये एल्गोरिथम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सिंपल है, इसमें आपको रिवीजन करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. एक एल्गोरिथम आप अगर आप समझोगे ना, एक रूल समझोगे ना, ऑटोमेटिकली आप फिगर आउट करोगे विदाउट इवन रिवाइजिंग. ठीक है ना? चूंकि ये इट इज अ फेल मुजारी, लेट्स से लाम हम फिलहाल साइड में रखेंगे. इट इज बेसिकली तुनजिरु एक्चुअली. Just hold on. I'll write it down for you something. Then I hope कि आप उसके बाद आप you will make things right. Wait, hold on. Let me open something. So this is very important.
The anta version for Muzari.
Just hold on.
Tansuru for the.
Wait, hold on. I will just.
For Nasara, it will be Tansuru.
Very good. For Nasara family, it will be
Tansuru.
It will be tanzuru. Very
Tanzuru.
nice. Now you are coming to the point. It will be tanzuru. Correct, bhai?
Yeah.
Very good. I think zal ये है क्या zal? अरे यार कहाँ गया वो? Problem is, you know. So what happened? हम कहाँ थे?
ब्राउजर पे राइट क्लिक कीजिए।
हाँ यार कहाँ था, हम कहाँ थे? नहीं यार मेरा मशीन है ना, एक ही, हाँ ये ज़ा है, ज़ाल है, हाँ ज़ाल है, नॉट ज़ा। का क्या है कि तंजुरु, is the font of this. Okay, Ishaq bhai.
Okay.
Nasra, if it is from Nasra family, Anta version, it will be Tanzuru. Correct? Is it like Tanzuru? कहाँ गया वो? Yeah. Is it like Tanzuru? Leave law aside. Is it like Tanzuru?
It is Tunziro means majhul. It is not Tan.
Even अगर आप मजहूल बनाओगे इसको,
it is Tunziro.
No, but if you are saying it is Tunzuru majhul, okay? Let's make it majhul. Let's make this Tanzuru majhul. So what is how will make majhul fail muzari? How will make majhul? Ua sound, right? Ua sound, not ui. Ui sound only fail mazi के केस में. Ua sound fail muzari. Fail mazi के केस में ui sound, fail muzari के केस में ua sound. So you will say ua sound. Tunzaru. Last same रहेगा. Last same रहेगा. Is it like Tunzaru? Is it like Tunzaru?
It is Tunziro. No.
Yes, it is not. So that means it is not at all from family 1. Ruled out. It is like, it is Tunziro. Now what you will do next? You will go to family 2. Family 1 cancel. Family 2. Family 2 में पहले कौन आता है? मतलब क्या आता है? तुअल्लिमु. Right? Right?
Yeah.
तुअल्लिमु. Is it like तुअंजिरु?
No.
Nice. Family 3rd. Family 3rd में क्या आएगा? Family 3rd का अंता वर्जन क्या है? फिर मुजारी.
Tujahidu.
Tujahidu. Is it like tunaziru?
Yeah.
It is like tunaziru?
No.
No. Family 4. Family 4 में क्या आएगा?
Aslama. So, Islaman.
No. अंता वर्जन फिर मुजारी.
Tuslimu.
So तुस्लिमु. Very good. तो ये क्या रहेगा इसमें? नजर के इसमें क्या रहेगा?
Tunziro.
Tunziro. Now see. Tunziro. तो आप कौन सा फैमिली मैच हो रहा है ना? Tunziro?
It is Tunziro. Yeah. It is family 4.
Okay. नंबर 1 ये तो एक गेस हो गया, मतलब ये तो एक एल्गोरिथम है. दूसरा है क्या है? हमेशा याद रखना, there are only 3 families. There are only 3 families जिनका फेल मुजारी उ साउंड से शुरू होता है. There are only 3 families जिनका फेल मुजारी, चाहे वो हुआ वर्षन या अंता वर्षन जो भी है, उ साउंड से शुरू होता है. Only 3 families. बाकी जो भी फेल फैमिलीज है ना, उनका हमेशा फेल मुजारी आ साउंड शुरू होता है. So which are those three families? Family 2, family 3 and family 4. जब भी आप ये चीज अगर आप ये कन्फाइन करोगे ना कि आपको देखो ये फेल मुजारी जो है वो साउंड शुरू होता है एंड इट इज नॉट लाइक मजहूल. मजहूल हमेशा अगर मजहूल होता है ना, मजहूल भी ओ साउंड शुरू होता है, बट मजहूल के केस में ओ आ साउंड रहता है फेल मुजारी में. यहाँ पे ओ आ साउंड नहीं है, यहाँ ऊ साउंड है फेल मुजारी का, राइट. मजहूल भी फेल मजहूल मुजारी भी ओ साउंड शुरू होता है, बट इट इज ओ आ साउंड यहाँ पे, लेकिन ओ आ साउंड नहीं है. दैट मीन्स इट्स नॉर्मल फेल मुजारी. एंड एज इट इज स्टार्टिंग विद दमा साउंड, दैट मीन्स इट्स ओनली फ्रॉम थ्री फैमिलीज. इधर इधर इट बी फ्रॉम फैमिली 2 और फैमिली 3 और फैमिली 4. नाउ फैमिली 2 का आपने देखा तो अंतुनाज जीरो नहीं है. फैमिली 4 और फैमिली 3 का देखा आपने तो जा ही दो नहीं है. सो फैमिली 4 ऑटोमेटिकली है ये, फिर तुन जीरो. करेक्ट. It became tunzira because of lam. Okay, very good. Now ummal qura. Umma here it is nasab and qura. Ummal qura means umma means mother and qura means trees. So umma is here maf'ul bihi for tunzira. Okay. Ummal qura, woman and whoever. Hawlaha means hawla is special mudaf. Ha is basically its pronoun, attached pronoun. Ha refers to the qura, city. Hawla means around. Okay. Now question, what was actually हमारा टॉपिक क्या था? कभी कभी मफऊल लहू जो है it can be other than a something masdar. So here basically the tunzira is acting like a masdar maf'ul lahu. Why? When you translate it as, because when you put lam on the fi'l muzari you will always translate it as so that, right? In order to, because, so that, right? So how will you translate wakazalika wahayna? So thus we have revealed ilayka to you Quran and Arabian, Arabic Quran, litunzira. Tunzira means you warn. You warn. Okay, Ishaq bhai, tunziru means you warn. If I put if I put lam harf of nasab on it, litunzira, so it means
you are warned.
So that. So likai ka meaning. If I say Ishaq bhai, tunziru. What does tunziru mean? You warn. Okay, bhai. You warn. Or you are warning. You warn. Now, if I put likai ka lam, that harf likai ka lam, harf likai means so that. harf likai जो फेल माजी के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, ओके, मीनिंग है सो दैट. जो लिकाई है ना इसाक भाई, इसका लाम भी अलग यूज कर सकते हैं और काई भी अलग यूज कर सकते हैं.
That you explained.
You know that? You remember that?
No, just now you explained. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay. So जो भी है काई भी यूज कर सकते हैं, या है which बोला. Okay. And both means so that. Both means so that. Now, if I put this lam of kai on this,
so it becomes litunzira. Yeah.
So it will become latun la और ले जो भी है आ गया ये नून यार. तुन लितुन latun zira or litun zira. So it will become dhamma will become light.
Right.
Dhamma will become light. अगर ये अगर if I put harf of the lightest wala lam, that will become tunzir. Okay. Anyways, so latunzira. Okay. So now tunzira means you warn. Latunzira means
so that.
So that अरे क्या
you
होगा इसका, hold on. So that you warn. So coming back to the point, so what it says is, ये आपने देखा है ना, so that, in order to, ये just like a मफूल लहू एक्ट करता है ना, मफूल लहू में भी ऐसे करते हैं ना हम, so that وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَشْرِي نَفْسَهُ, there are some people who, you know, sell himself so that to seek the pleasure of Allah. Correct here. यहाँ पे وَكَذَلِكَ أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ قُرْآنًا عَرَبِيًّا, thus we have revealed to you Arabic Quran so that you warn. Al-Quran means mother of cities, woman and whoever is around it. Hawlaha means around it. So now litunzira is translated as so that. So if I make a question out of this, why we reveal to you Arabic Quran? It answers what answer? What is the answer? So why we reveal to you the Arabic Quran? What is the answer? So that, right? Because in order to warn the mother of cities and whichever is around it. Correct? So this litunzira acts like as a maf'ul lahu. What it means is here. So what it says कि maf'ul lahu हमेशा masdar रहता है, but in some cases it will be not like a masdar. It will be some fail also, and that fail will be, it will have lam of likai, or that harf lam likai on that fail, and it will become like as a maf'ul lahu. Though it is maf'ul fail, but it will act as a like maf'ul lahu because of that likai. Understood?
Yeah.
Any question so far? Any confusion? I will again repeat because I don't want you to have confusion.
There's no confusion.
Okay. So you read this page, this chapter, so that आपको थोड़ा बहुत ना पढ़ने के बाद भी आपको थोड़ा बहुत you get it. Okay. Tanvir bhai, any question?
No bhai, alhamdulillah, it's fine.
Okay. So अभी 1 week आ रहा है, so just read this chapter जो हमने पढ़ा अभी तक, chapter number 12. ठीक है इसहाक भाई? मोबाइल पे खोल लीजिए इसको, अपना फ्री टाइम में पढ़ लीजिए. सो एक रिवीजन करो इस चैप्टर को, सो दैट कि थोड़ा बहुत आपको मतलब यू विल गेट थिंग्स. ठीक है ना? कुछ आपको क्वेश्चन आता है, कुछ है तो प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क. ठीक है ना?
ओके, जज़ाकल्लाह.
Barakallah fikum. So we'll actually stop here. Tomorrow, inshallah, next week we'll do this maf'ul matlaq, inshallah. ठीक है? Okay.
इंशाल्लाह भाई. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.
चलो ठीक है, इंशाल्लाह we'll stop here. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika, wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.